In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract URLs from hyperlinks in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself needing to pull out URLs from a list of hyperlinks within your Google Sheets, you're in the right place. This process is easy, efficient, and will help streamline your workflow, especially if you handle data regularly. First off, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document where you have your list of hyperlinks. Make sure your document is ready because this is where all the magic happens. It's crucial to have everything set up before diving into the next steps. Once your Google Sheet is open, the next step is to select the text that contains the hyperlink. Clicking on this cell will activate it, allowing you to manipulate it with the necessary formulas we'll discuss shortly. Now that you've selected your cell with the hyperlink, move to cell C3, which is where you'll be typing the necessary formula to start extracting the URLs. In cell C3, you'll want to type in the formula formula text B3. This formula is essential as it helps you retrieve the text of the formula or the hyperlink from the selected cell. By using this, you get a snapshot of the formula that constructs the hyperlink, a perfect starting point for the extraction process. After entering the formula in C3, you'll need to hit the Enter key. This step executes the formula and allows you to see its result, which is crucial before we move on to further steps. Once you've hit Enter and ensured everything is in place, let's move to cell C4. Here in cell C4, type in the formula split formula text B3. This formula does the heavy lifting. What it essentially does is split the formula text into manageable parts so that we can isolate the URL. The split function is handy for dividing a text string based on a specified delimiter, in this case, the quotation marks. It's a genius solution for extracting useful information selectively from inside a complex text string. Finally, hit the Enter key again to execute this final step, and voila! You should now see the extracted URL appear in the appropriate cell. It's that simple. You've successfully extracted a URL from a hyperlink in Google Sheets without the need to manually hover over the link every time you need it. I hope this guide was clear and helpful in teaching you how to efficiently extract URLs from your hyperlinks in Google Sheets. Feel free to reuse and adapt this method to enhance your productivity in managing data effectively. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.